how to turn on or turn off customized modes and routines to get personalized routine recommendations on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then in here, tap on General Management. After that, go down and tap on Customization Service. Then from here, scroll down and tap on Modes and Routines. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on personalized routine recommendations. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.